Hello sewing friends, welcome back to my sewing room. It's been a long time. Lost my sojo and hadn't been on in quite a while, but I'm back and I'm ready to show you some things that I'm working on. Today is Friday Sews, where I share a little bit about life and a little bit about sewing and crafting. First, I want to show you some sewing labels I ordered from Inspired Leather with fridaysews. And aren't they adorable? These are leather and you can have them personalized to whatever you want it to say. I have Robyn's Love of Sewing, those that go that way, and then they can go this way when you sew them on like this on a label. And I got these labels also. Aren't they cute? I love them. And that was through Inspired Leather. And when I opened the box, there was a little friend inside. Look at this cute little blue Pac-Man pin cushion to hold my sewing needles. Isn't he cute? By Inspired Leather. He is so cute. And next week, these are going to be on sale for 15% off, November 23rd through the 27th. Pause the video and you can go to these QR codes to go to her website. So if you want to order some labels or a little pin cushion, check out fridaysews at Inspired Leather. She also sells beautiful pork pie hats and eyeglass cases and more pin cushions and wallets. I will put links in the description box below if you want to check out any of Maddie's Inspired Leather or check out her YouTube channel called fridaysews. Thank you, Maddie. He is adorable and I love my sewing labels. Thank you. Okay, now I want to do an unboxing of something I ordered from the UK. I don't know if you guys have seen tique on YouTube, and she also has an Instagram called @thesweetstitches, but I bought this from her Etsy store. It's called Zero Waste Coin and Card Purse. And that's her website. How sweet. And it comes with two of these. I got the Pro Kit so I could make two of these little zero waste coin purses. It's really nice heavyweight felt, and also it's fusible so that I can take my scrap fabric. I'll take my scrap fabric and iron it on this side of the fusible web, and then use this and use the pattern I have. I already bought the pattern before I got the kit. Yeah, I got the Pro Kit. It comes with 2 bronze metal frames and 2 pieces of iron-on batting. So I can't wait to make this with my scrap fabric. See how you just iron little scraps on and sew them down, and you can have a cute little purse made out of your scrap fabric. So I'm looking forward to making this soon. Make one for me and one for a gift. I'll link her channel and her Instagram in my description box below. She does amazing free motion embroidery that is just gorgeous. You'll have to check it out. She makes these cute little birds and all kinds of little things. Her free motion embroidery, like on these birds and these little girls, they're just so beautiful. Take a look at her channel and you'll be amazed at the beautiful artwork she does with her sewing machine. I just love it. And now I have a little Joann's haul for you. I went to Joann's. I got another one of those little t-shirts. I want to make a little t-shirt dress for my granddaughter. She'll be 2 at her next birthday in April. They were on sale. And I got this beautiful aqua blue with polka dot fabric. Couldn't pass this up. I love this color blue. Got that, and these buttons were on sale, so I got some packets of buttons to use to make my dish towels that I hang on the oven door. This color and this color. Oh, and and some just plain white ones. And when I stopped at Dollar Tree, I saw this cute little dish towel I'm going to turn into a towel for my kitchen because it has my colors and it's cute. It says Merry Christmas. And I'm going to use this to fold and put the button on right here to make into the hanging dish towel for my oven like this. Put this up here. But I have a video that shows how I make these if you want to check it out. I'll put the link in my description box below. Because these make great gifts for Christmas and for any time, for a hostess gift, whatever. So I'm going to be working on that. And what else? I was inspired by Boutique and her free motion, so I was practicing. It's not very good, but I was trying to write my name and draw a little girl with my sewing machine, but I got a long ways to go. I need a lot more practice, but she inspires me so much. So I hope to get better at free motion stitches because I love how some people can just use their sewing machine and draw with it. It's just amazing. I want to be able to do that one day soon. It's so beautiful. I have a video coming up where I show you how I make these bookmarks using packing tape. And they're transparent and beautiful. This I did from a magazine, and I use these for gifts only. I don't sell them. And this was a photograph of my granddaughter. And I turned that into a bookmark for me so I can look at her anytime I'm reading in my Bible. So that video, it may be already posted or it may be coming soon. I'm not sure which one's going to go first, Friday Sews or that tutorial on how to make those bookmarks, which will make a great gift for Christmas with a little book to go with it or a journal to go with this bookmark. Those will make great gifts. So that's coming soon. Hope you like that tutorial. I love making bookmarks and personalizing them for people. I think that's about all I've gotten done. I kind of lost my sojo the last month and a half, but I'm back and raring to go get some more projects done. So hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving next week, and I will be seeing you again soon. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.